Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to perform addition with decimals. So there is a procedure involved in adding decimals. So this is the procedure. So we will break it down into these different steps, and then we will try to understand these steps and then use it to solve some simple problems. The first step is to add decimals. We write the numbers so that the decimal points are on a vertical line. So that's the first step. Then the second step is, then we will add the numbers as we would with whole numbers. We would add as if we are adding whole numbers. And then the third step is, we'll write the result down or the answer down and then place the decimal point in the correct location. So this is the procedure. Let us try to apply this procedure to solve a simple example. Let's look at an example. We want to add these decimal numbers. The decimal numbers are 0.426 plus we want to add 5.8 to that, and then we want to also add 67.23 to that. So therefore our first step is, let's write it down. The way we want to express the solution is in these different steps. First step, we will arrange the numbers vertically so that the decimal points are on a vertical line or are on a vertical line. So 0.426, that's the first number, 5.8 is the second number, and then 67.23 is our third number, and we want to add these numbers. So I want to just make sure that we line up these numbers in these columns accordingly, so the numbers before the decimal point or the numbers after the decimal point do not make any does not carry any significance. So if I were to say 0.426, it's the same thing as 0.426. 5.8 or 0.5.800 means exactly the same thing. And then 67.23 or 67.230 means exactly the same thing. I'm indicating those by in red, and that zeros indicated in red do not have any significance, but at the same time we have made sure that we have lined up the numbers in the respective columns. So that is the advantage in here. In step 2, we're going to add the numbers in each column as if we are going to add whole numbers, right? So I'll call this one as, let me write this in this black ink. Step 2, we're going to add as if we are adding whole numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 plus 8 plus 2 is 14. We carry 1 and then write the 4 there, and then 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, so carry 1 and then bring the 3 there. 6 plus 1 is 7, and in step 3 we're going to place the decimal point just below, vertically below the decimal places where we had for the rest of the numbers. So this is our answer. So in step 3 we're going to say 73.456 is our answer. So therefore we'll put a box around it indicating that that is our answer. In my next presentation we shall see some more examples as to how to perform addition with decimals.